Hi guys, good morning. So today we are doing Leetcode daily. So today's question is 3090 maximum length substring with two occurrences. Given a string is return the maximum length of a substring such that it contains at most two occurrences of each character. So at most we can have two occurrences of each character. Okay. So this case B C B B B B C A. So if you see this B C in its B C B, it's also fine, but it's three length. It's can't find is three, but there is also three length. This is okay. 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 So for this question also, I guess again we can use a two-pointer approach. So int start is going to be zero. Int end is also going to be zero, and int end is equal to sign. I can use a map of characters of an integer, and this should be zero. So while start is less than n and end is less than n, and MP of S of and is plus plus. If MP of S of and is at most two characters, right? So less than and equals to 2, then we can say int length is equals to n minus start plus 1, and answer is equal to maximum of answer comma length. Else this is not the case. While MP S of star is greater than 2, MP S of star minus minus. If MP S of star is less than equals to 0, then MP dot erase is S of star. And here we are doing star plus plus, and here we are doing n plus plus, and in this case we are doing n plus plus. And we will go and return answer. And plus plus. Okay, if I remove this plus plus, no, it's going to give me TLE, right? So for this B will come, and if B is less than or equals to, yeah, that is fine, right? But we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How is taking the full string? See out and B dot as dot end. So B is 1, C is 1, B is 2, and B is 3. Okay, so B, C, and B again. That is 2 and B again. What if I do this? This must be. given the CBP. So I guess two pointer will not work for this. So let's go with the brute force. For int I is equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus, so int j equals to I greater than j equals MPS of j total as MP MPS of as again is greater than 2 break else answer equal to maximum of j comma j minus I plus 1 and let me say answer equal to 0 j and it is MP math. Let me combine give it as MP and let me do the answer and let me say int and equal to else. So let's check for this. Like I bro, what the fuck? Sister J is getting plus plus again. Check equal false. Check go for a break, brother. So yeah, this question is quite irritating actually. Ah, I think now my code is fine, but let's see what shit is being built. So there is one test case 4. So my j is 4, is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's 1 here. Brother, but in this case, my MP of see now 4 and 1, my MP of this. to this fine shit. No, it will get my first escape. Okay, brother, no worries. No worries, brother. Let me do one thing. Let me say SFI, then SFJ, and then MP of SFI, MP of J. Money follows, brother, money follows. This is the holy shit test case, right? So I think there is some distribution. I think it's x though the second is a दिक्कत I guess. भाई अभी तो भाई क्या करे भाई क्या हैं x dot second is one हैं how it is possible. हाँ Yo, what is this happening now? What is this happening? Let me pause and get. So yeah, guys, let's continue the late code question. So I know it's been a long time, not for you, but for me. So actually, I find it out like what's my issue. So we say it's else break, and when we go out of this, then if check, then we can say break, and if it's not breaking, then else equal to maximum of j minus also of j minus 5 plus 1. So this is the only thing we are missing out in this question. So let me just click on run, see it's accepted, let me click on submit, and the question is being solved, right? So guys, thank you.